Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the IndieZoNe podcast. My name is Kathy. I have some updates for you, and this is subsequent to our prior episodes dealing with Mr. Kohberger's incarceration at the Idaho Department of Corrections. First, after not being able to access information concerning Mr. Kohberger's current status as an inmate at the Idaho Department of Corrections because that search feature had been down for a few days. We can confirm that the search feature appears to have been restored. The other item that we had wanted to update you on has to do with the videos of Mr. Kohberger apparently in a cell at the Idaho Department of Corrections maximum security facility located outside of Boise, where he was transferred to from the Ada County Jail on July 23rd, 2025. Booked, and as far as we know, has been an inmate there consistently from July 23rd through this time. You may have seen the videos of him that were circulating during the summer shortly after he was booked into that prison. That's appeared on social media. It's been the subject of multiple accounts and reports from independent journalists as well as the mainstream media. And there was a report a few weeks back from a member of mainstream media that the person responsible for taking the video of Mr. Kohberger and getting it out into the public had been identified as supposedly a guard working at the facility, that he had resigned from his position, and that there had been no commitment from the authorities to prosecute this individual. Well, I have been checking the Idaho Department of Corrections website under the news section for updates since the one that was published relative to this matter back in August. What this statement says, and you can find it in the news section, Idaho Department of Corrections.gov. It is dateline August 15th, 2025. It says IDOC statement on videos circulating online, and it reads in part as follows: "We are aware of the videos circulating online and are investigating the matter. While we cannot confirm the veracity of the videos, if verified, they are a clear violation of IDOC policy, and the parties responsible will be held accountable, up to and including termination. We caution that some videos may be fake or AI enhanced." So from this language, paragraph 1, it appears that this may be more than one video that's been circulating. And we also note that the IDOC's language of parties, not party or party, but parties plural, suggests that they believe, at least as of August 15th, that this may have been a matter involving more than one individual. Now, although Mr. Kohberger's name is not referenced here, the fact that this news release came shortly after the videos began circulating suggests that it is Mr. Kohberger, as does a line in paragraph 2, which states on July 23rd and again on July 25th, IDOC leadership sent 2 emails to staff reminding them of our policies and expectations concerning professionalism and the appropriate use of technology and social media. July 23rd was the exact date that Mr. Kohberger, a very high-profile prisoner, was booked into the prison there located just outside of Boise. The 25th would have been just 2 days afterwards. So that, I believe, in my opinion, serves as additional evidence that they were speaking about Mr. Kohberger. There is no further update at all from the August 15th, 2025 statement on videos circulating online. There have been a number of other news releases that are published on the IDOC's website. Since then, there has not even been a statement as to whether the video or videos have been confirmed to be authentic versus AI enhanced, much less any confirmation of this story that mainstream media circulated that this matter was basically a closed deal several weeks ago. We're going to continue to monitor this situation and report back to you as further developments arise. Until next time, this is Kathy. Thank you very much for joining us here today.